Enjoy this video in River Seine, Paris, France. Let's do it. Welcome to Paris. Paris, the city of love, is famous for its romance and classic architecture. There are many tourist attractions that offer extraordinary beauty and fill everyone with awe. One of the most famous tourist attractions in Paris is the River Seine. Let's see the beauty of it. One of the Paris icons, the great and sturdy Eiffel Tower, stands on the banks of the River Seine. From here, tourists can enjoy the beautiful and spectacular views of the rivers and the city of Paris. Not far from the Eiffel Tower is the very famous Cathedral of Notre-Dame. The cathedral is very popular for its magnificent architecture and is an important part of the history of Paris, which is located on the banks of the Seine River. Besides the Eiffel Tower and Notre Dame, there is also the famous Louvre Museum. The museum, which houses the Mona Lisa painting, displays various works of art from various countries and eras. To enjoy the charm of the Seine River, tourists can take the available tour boats. During the trip, travelers will pass several famous bridges such as Pont Alexandre III, Pont des Arts, and Pont Neuf. The bridge is known for having love padlocks hung by couples from all over the world as a symbol of their eternal love. In addition, tourists can also enjoy a romantic dinner by renting a special boat for a river cruise. For those who want to enjoy the view of the Seine River from the riverbank, there are many parks to visit such as Jardin des Tuileries, Parc de la Villette, and Square du Vert Galant. In these parks, tourists can relax while enjoying the beautiful Seine River and the city of Paris. This view shows the beauty of Paris at night, where the city lights and bridge lights create a magical and romantic atmosphere. This is the beauty of the Seine River in Paris, as it shows how beautiful and mesmerizing this The Seine River is one of the must-visit tourist attractions. Enjoy the charm of the Seine River and make your vacation in Paris an unforgettable experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in our next video.